Laboratories, DRL.
Oh, okay. Huh.
I'm on their panel since past few years, so I keep
Okay,
training the doctors all
okay,
across India. उनके प्रोग्राम्स चलते रहते हैं. बाकी अभी फिलहाल क्या है, अप्रैल में I have 2 major projects coming up. So I'll
अच्छा.
be totally stuck now. Till 24th of April, I'll be totally occupied there.
So how's that collaboration going on with that you're saying the team internationally coaches looking up for the leaders,
So
helping them?
one video is already out, and today again, I mean today I have my script discussion with the moderator, and once that is done, then we record the video, we launch it, and then there
Okay,
are 3 more. So one by one we are scripting it. हमने सबने अपना अपना part ले लिया. The high design is divided amongst all of us. So one video is already out. Second will be mine. And, no, 2 videos of the same person are out. Third will be mine, and then we proceed for another 2, 3 more. Then let's see how it shapes up. If the need be, we'll continue. Otherwise, we'll stop it there.
okay, super. So wish you all the best and may it help all those who need it because leaders
Thank you.
really need it. They are going through a lot of turmoil because the world is changing. Right?
Yeah,
Lovely.
thank you so much. Thank you for your good wishes.
Great,
Hi,
great.
Rekha ji. Thank
Rekha,
Good
you're
you.
morning,
muted.
Rekha.
Yaps.
Hey, good morning, all. Sorry, I'm not able to log in into my laptop. I'm
Okay.
not.
No worries. No worries. Is there any issue with your, Anand was saying with the Zoom account of yours?
That account password, I'm not able to log in, but I don't know in the mobile it got saved or something. I'm
Yeah,
able.
mobile saves that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries.
So,
So we will wait for Medha.
Medha, yeah,
In the
let's
meantime, Rekha, can you just share what was your life in last 1 week?
To be frank, it was hectic, but a bit of, I mean, as I said, like I could get one file which had listed all the KVs, contact person and addresses. Okay. So that is one thing, but I was just trying to minimize that list. It is almost like 2000 odd addresses. But what I thought is maybe starting from South India or so, maybe 5 from each location. I was just trying to pick up a couple of addresses so that we can float one webinar. Okay, but unfortunate the file got corrupted and it was last 2 weeks. It's like a disaster in my workplace. Okay, we are having some 7 issues and even Saturday, Sundays we are tied up.
Okay.
So I just shared in the interest of time, I just shared the file with Ananda. Maybe I was just thinking like I'll start reworking on that if we can get some helping hand, maybe another 2-3 days we can at least come up with some 50-60 addresses consolidated.
Right, right.
But 2 people I have
Rekha
already
ma'am,
called them from that. They said that can we get back to you? One person said can we get back to you? And the other person said like I'm a bit busy right now. Maybe in another 1-2 months we can think of something. That
So
is,
I
I
think
think.
it will be a good idea if you just make a Google sheet where all this thing, call recording can be, the process can be, documented so that somebody else call up. They know exactly who has been in touch with them so that,
That's right. Maybe first, I think we can come up with some list of, schools to start with, like.
No, I think Rekha, you have just done two. The start is already there. So if once even we also see that list and we can divide among ourselves and then 5 people can multiply. They say, okay, 5 calls, that's fine.
Right.
Instead of one doing 25 calls, if 5 people, everyone does 5, it will be easier.
Yeah.
Right? And as we are planning for today, that is telling you what exactly we have with ourselves. We are asking so many things to you, but
Sure,
right
sure.
now, this is how it was. I was just sharing with Dr. Anju just a few minutes ago that how we struggle in our way and came up with something which was like, okay, this is something we are ready to go. And there we asked for the team, and I'm so happy and I'm thankful to God that we have a wonderful team. Which I think the best part is the synchronization and the understanding which we have developed among ourselves. We don't need to go formally, and like I feel that way, that even if we are talking after 1 week, it seems as if we have just all spoken yesterday.
Right.
So that continuum of relationship is something which I'm very happy. Isn't it, Dr. Anju? What do you say, Rekha? Yeah. So even I feel,
Fingers crossed.
I also agree with you, Shashi.
thank you so much. And this is where I think we have come together, because there is some kind of a energy synchronization already there, and that's why we are together, right? So I think I'm just waiting for Medha. Is Medha joining, Anand? You have any updates? Okay, she's joining. Although she always joined through mobile phone only.
No.
No?
Meda is also having a challenge similar to what Shashireka had faced. So that's something is going on in that. So she's trying to sort that out. That is to do with her system and her logging in.
At the same time, Anand, we also have to see that we should not get into this, so that people should go for just clicking and going into that. You also look into this thing, so that we don't
I'll
have
do
that. Because why I'm saying this, just for the team, that we are actually buying that Zoom package, so that we have our unlimited thing. Let's say, so our own
But then, will you buy? I'm sorry. Will you buy the yearly package or monthly package?
I think monthly seems better. If you have some updates,
Monthly,
please.
if you have to.
Huh?
Monthly, if you buy if you keep buying monthly every month, na, it will cost you more.
Yeah, sorry, yearly will be better. Yeah, yeah, Anand was saying yearly. No, I was just saying, pardon?
No, somebody else also did the same, and the calculation actually went for a toss. So if you have to keep buying it instead of purchasing it every month, it is better to have it annually.
Annually. So you have your own, Dr. Anju?
I will buy April, and I will buy that for a month to begin with, because that's a water testing product launch. If it goes well, then I'll purchase annually.
Okay. Because that's what we are saying. Otherwise, we were just managing with something else. But now I think last time what happened, so I just said, Anand, let's buy it. Well, so then he's just looking at, this is a trial thing only. But now I'm just telling, if this is the issue people will face, we don't want participant to get struggle on this. Now we are just 5, still we can manage. But people should just go by clicking, and then that technical part we have to take in account. That person who has to join should not have any problem.
See, ideally, there is no problem, but then maybe at times Zoom acts weird. So for 4 or 5 to even we can join on Hangout also, I believe, just in case you still don't want to buy a Zoom.
Hangout,
पे भी हम
I
लोग-
think the facilities what Zoom has, Hangout doesn't have.
If it is a video conferencing, the flexibility that Zoom gives, because Zoom has got designed exclusively for that. So they went exclusive what is required. Whereas even the Google Meets is a pretty cumbersome process to do so many things. Like, no, I can stop recording, I can add people, I can do with the things, and those are all will happen just like that. In Zoom, whereas in Google Meet, it is you have to stop sharing screen, then you go admit a person, then again come and share the screen, and I'm not very sure about the host co-host kind of a relationship in the Google Meet.
Hangout. Hangout.
And I can't even shift my camera.
Yes,
you know,
yes, you can.
two cameras. In Zoom, automatically takes the best possible camera. It tests the whatever it does, and it takes the best possible automatically. I don't even have to break my head. If I want to shift, I can shift very quickly.
Okay, great.
Oh,
so I think without wasting more time, we can share the recording with Medha. I think, and we should continue. And Anand need no introduction, and he is the father of Mastermind Conclave. We just joined in between. No, that's an honest thing. I'm saying that he's the father, he's the grandfather.
Grandfather अच्छा लगता है, white hair.
Grandfather of Mastermind Conclave, not of anything else. I'm just saying. Okay. So we will be, yeah, please.
कोविड के इंजेक्शन वैसे ही एज रिवील कर रहे हैं और आप बिल्कुल ही बता दो.
Okay, so Anand will be sharing the genesis, how it began, what are the basic principles and all. But I will just request the team members to just be there, be participative. I think it is open to ask question. It is not like that, let me present everything and then you ask question. But if there is anything, please feel free. Just raise your finger or hand, whatever it is, Anand, whatever you suggest, the signal, where, you know, because we are 4 of us and we can see the screen. So it can be done. At the same time, if there is something which we are already kept in mind, it will be following. Anand, you can just say, okay, it will follow. But if there is anything new, and if it's there, we can talk about it and, you know, incorporate it, whatever the inputs and all. Just for the, because till now, we have never got this opportunity to share our mind, and you have never got this opportunity to listen what is going on in this bald head and then this gray head. So over to Anand.
Right. Let me.
And we'll finish. It's 11:25. We'll make sure that we are able to finish it within that time limit which we have set.
Yeah.
And let's see it on. Okay. Yes, Anand.
Yeah. So. Right. So I'm using the the Google document itself for the presentation. The whole thing they started off in my mind when the NEP got launched, and we said, no, I need to do something as far as this is concerned, as my duty, as my responsibility towards the country. That's the, with that frame of mind is what I had started off, and then we are here today. It's a significant progress for it, because right now there is a team of 5 of us who are, you know, so focused and want to do the part of it. So the whole part of it, let me start with the mindset that we have, and I am sure all 5 of us share, is that we want to look at people at the core. It is people are important for us, and it is the people we are serving, people we are working with, people who are making use of our services. So always it is right. Okay, let's look at it from the that's the fancy word of stakeholders, and each stakeholder and what we need to do for the thing. So from there we even go to the level of saying each individual. Yes, there are problems, but also, and we identify, acknowledge, and articulate the problem, but our focus is always on how can I go to the solution. Right. And in the process, as what we have come up is this is Shashi's contribution when she said there's action for outcome focused mindset. It is not just thinking or this thing. The mindset is, okay, what action I would take. It is not just action mindset. It is going to be, this action should lead me to the outcome. So if the outcome is not achieved, then we'll go back and change the action, because outcome is something which we are which we want to have it. So that's where we begin with. So the begin with the end in mind, Stephen Covey's principle, Stephen Covey's articulation, right? So, and these are the other couple of things which I captured in the thing. It says you don't get a gold star for following the process, but achieving results. So specifically, we talk about business results if it is working with businesses and people for it, or if it is it's professional, it is business results. If it is personal, it is real life results that we want in our personal lives and results. And in order to achieve the breakthrough innovation, you shouldn't be limiting yourself to any one framework, but rather use many. Like this is what Shashi was saying a little earlier, of it saying that, yeah, there are so many things. And so this is, so when we become now, not when we become, when we are now as a group, so whatever we have done so far becomes the starting point or the foundation that is already laid, and contributions will be made for us to move forward. So we have been saying this as this is a problem solving technique process, right? So we need the whole technique itself is a process. So there is going to be a lot of tools that we will be using. The whole process, if you look at it, at one stage, it is linear as in, okay, we start step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. But then certain steps also become continuous, circular, because then, you take a step and then step back and check for it. And then again, you move forward, again, you do. So this, as we will finalize the graphic for this whole thing, there would be, things would be connecting from different places, and different things will keep coming up. Okay. So there is a linear process, and there is also circular process, and it is forever continuous, right? The same thing, if we put in a different way, is that there is going to be cyclical work that we do. We take one problem, we go through all the steps, then we solve it, we go to the another problem. That is one cycle. Within this cycle, there is, so for this, the stages and the steps will become directional. But within this one problem that we take, we will also be doing some more cyclical things inside of it. Small circles will keep happening, but we'll always be getting out of the cycle and go to the next step. Go to the next step, because that is what is becoming is the directional. So for this, there is may not be everybody. I'm not listing actually as to from where all we have taken the inspiration from. Problem based learning, project based learning, and then the spiritual master Sadhguru Jaggi was there when he spoke about it, saying you need to explore the life as life, and then you start experiencing it, and then you will get a profoundness gets into you, and then you express that. So he was in the context that he was talking about, is saying people just simply get down to express on the social media. That was the context he was saying, and he said that he did not name this as a model. We are naming it as Sadhguru's model. All right, what he said. Similar, the Prime Minister has said this as a model. Narendra Modi said this in one of the things. He's saying that engage the students, explore, allow them to explore. Yes, Shashi.
Yeah, I just wanted to add on that why we are saying that this is a tool from where we have taken the inspiration, that these are the these are the mindset who actually in a way strengthening ours, at the same time supporting us and giving results. People have lot of models, but then point is other is, so what we are doing is different people are saying different things, but if you see the common thread is there, and we are looking for that common thread, and that also keeping the few things which Anand shared in the beginning, that people are at the core, there are problem, but we are focused on solution, and then we are more than action or behavior, we are more conscious about the mindset, because if we have a right mindset, we will be always getting the results. Not that ki maine to bahut mehnat kiya, I did lot of effort, but if with no results, then we can't call it as a success. Okay, you might have learned, because everything what you do, either it will give you an experience or will give you a learning. But the point is, what is the result? If the result is not there, and then you say, then you also know that spiritually also people talk, oh, these are all intangible results, the energy level, I feel good. But when you feel good, what do? You just sit on that and just meditate and do nothing. And I think even Sadhguru says, and I think in our Vedic culture also they say, you don't look up to someone, you look within, because everything is within. You are born as a complete unique individual. It's a like super package which Cosmos has given delivered on this planet, but we are not exploring all the components of this package. Isn't it, Anand?
Absolutely.
Right, please. So these are only listing out that what clicked us, and I think how we have evolved. That's a journey. Right.
This is also not complete. I mean, whatever we could
yes.
put out,
and it goes on
a lot more. And like, Shashi had already once mentioned it. It's not like the shloka that will put what she said just now is Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate. So that's the overall part of it. That's where is the part. Okay. So now, so there is a design thinking, and in design thinking, there are several models. Stanford University has got one, interactiondesign.org has got, and then this gentleman called Benjamin Hunter Miller has got. Then Google has their own design sprint model as to how they solve problem, how they innovate, and what the things that happen. Another gentleman, I'm forgetting, I think it's Benjamin Hunter Miller came up with a 7-phase strategic thinking and how we need to. Then there is established models of lean startup model, business model and design, and then effectuation by our own. I mean, she's an Indian, so I'm more attached to that. Her name is Saraswati. If you don't know, you should look up her work, and she's fantastic. But she's more focused on entrepreneurship. Okay, from entrepreneurship, it's called effectuation. That's a phenomenal amount of research and things that she has done. And then there are many more, thinkers like Edward de Bono, Tony Buzan, Roger. All these people have done, several people, and we do with this. On top of that, we are also digging, or we are also dipping into, not digging, we are dipping into the national and international organizations and taking the resources from them. That's when we brought in SDG and NEP, when we are talking about the huge amount of resources already available. We don't have to reinvent the wheel when something is already there. We simply take it, and they would be happy if we take it, right? So that is the way for it. So this is already said, is there? I've just put it down here. We have taken the essence as applicable for our specific situation, right? This is what we are saying. So in the process of us we doing all of this, these are some of the premises. Now here this 4 or 5, yeah, 4. I'll read through with this, and if you can ask me questions, or you want to modify it, or you want to say anything, because if the premise changes, everything else changes, right? So let's please focus attention on this. We are saying, in our experience, financial decisions are made only by the owners of the school. Okay. Second premise, only some of the school owners focus on the processes that will ensure the best is provided to each child and best of every child is brought out. Okay. Everyone will say they need this, but some will claim that they are doing it already. But in reality, what the situation is and where it is may not be so. Okay. So every school owner has so the next step, when we came and said, okay, every school owner has a problem and they would be interested if we can show them how to solve their real life problems. So the problems are articulated by them, saying, they say this is our problem, and then how to properly articulate it also we will be sharing with them. So hence problem solving process techniques will be welcomed by decision makers of institutions. Okay. And we align our actions and our intentions with the national international efforts. So that will give us a lot of resources, and also it will help us to move forward, because we are in alignment with the what is happening in the world right now. So these are the premises. So let's take a moment. Any questions or any thoughts or any additions?
So, Anand, one thing.
Hmm.
So, what I understand is, maybe as a recap of the policy and what is that is available for us in our purview is something which you have included in our premises, right?
Correct.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
The government has given, if there is something good stuff, we just simply take it and then we follow it, unless if we have and if we don't agree with something, we just keep it by the side for time being and move forward.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what it is. Yes, Shashi. Oh no, okay. Dr. Anju, anything?
No, so far trying to sync in with everything. So
Yeah, so I think just for continue.
Right, I'll continue. So with all that work that we were doing for it, we came down, and now we are now focusing on school owners because of these premises. And we said, okay, what is the mission for us when it comes to it? It says we provide the necessary environment and processes needed to ensure that the school owner will be able to implement effective solution for each and every problem. All right. I think this, according to our premise, they would want to pay for and take our services, right? So that is the mission. The vision is we are the leaders, so we be the leader in bringing visionary leadership in educational institutions. So the language that we would start using it is that everyone who joins with us and work with us, we recognize them as leaders because they are truly leaders in some part of the life, and some people are following them and they are making many things happen. So we bring the visionary leadership in educational institutions together to create implementable solutions for each and every problem. All right. So as we move forward, this is our goal, right? And one of the foundational principles is that it's a power of aggregation, right? We don't have to do everything, and so whenever alone we are limited by our own strengths and weaknesses. Together we can solve every problem and create the world where every being is cherished and protected and thriving, right? Including us and the school owners and everybody else, whomever we are touching in, right? So now based on that and all the thing that this distilling the essence, that what we have done is we have put. So now this is when now starts becoming the process, the problem solving technique process, as we have put this. Okay, I don't know, maybe we should, I'm thinking now we should put it as PSTP, problem solving technique process, instead of PTP. We can change that later. So let's move forward with this. So the very first stage. So when I'm saying the first stage starts after the marketing is over and we have started um, uh, we have started working with them. They have enrolled, we are there, we have a team, and then we do with this. The actual work will be beginning here, right? So at that time, we are saying that the first stage is to identify the problem and then articulate the problem. The principle behind it is a problem well defined is half solved, right? So we'll take them through the process. We'll be using a lot of tools for them to arrive at what exactly is the problem. What we think as a problem is generally not the problem. If we dig a little deeper, we get to the core of the problem. And so defining that. So the outcome at that particular stage, okay, this is Meda. So just give me a second. Yes, Meda. Okay, don't worry, relax. We will share the recording with you, and then you can go through with it. We'll take it forward from there. Okay, relax now. Don't worry. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah. She is stressed out. Right. So the outcome is there will be a very clearly defined statement. So when we reach this outcome, our stage one is over with the group of people whom we are going to be working with, and we will be working with group of school owners. Okay, that is the model, right? Then once that goes, we go to the stage two. The stage two is when we start looking at the probable causes for the problem. All right. So again, there will be a lot of tools as to how do you go, whether it is root cause analysis, Ishikawa, whatever are the various things that various people have said and thing is there, we would do it. So, and they analyze to identify the root cause, right? And there could also be multiple causes combined together could be happening. So we are also not leaving out the plural form of it. So here the list of probable causes and the situations that lead to the problem is clearly identified and articulated. Once that is done, then only we will start looking at the solutions, right? So we go for generating a list of possible solutions. So here is the generative or diverse divergent thinking tools will come into the picture, and we use all of that, and we give people brainstorming is one such example, mind map is another such example, six thinking hats another such example. Oh, okay, all right, I've written all those things also there. So I was saying it from memory. It's already written. So these are things, the SWOT or OPV is others point of view we use for it. Okay, then after the thing is done, then we start doing the convergent thinking and get to the analyzing the solutions that has been put up as to what becomes the implementable solutions for it. So again, these tools will be used, and force field analysis, cost benefit analysis, all that will come into the picture. Then we go for, now the individual school owner who is a leader will choose the most appropriate, suitable and apt solution to implement in their institution. Okay, so it is written as in, we're going to share it with them. So we're saying in your institution, right? Outcome is listing out the solutions that are practical, and then the choice of the individual. That also gets defined and stated off for it. So there will be worksheets and various things that we will give that will help them to have that very clearly, so they can very easily communicate with their team and they can get into an implementation phase. Okay, then just before they even do that, we go to the stage 4, which is they need to start listing out the resources needed for implementation, organize the resources. Then out of the practical real life experience, what we are saying is for every initiative, there must be one leader. And that leader becomes this one point, so that everything goes there and it gets, so that there is divergent thinking converging into one place and becoming focused attention, right? So identify the leader and delegate responsibility with authority. A lot of times in my life, I was given responsibility without authority and got into trouble because I took the authority because I have the responsibility. And so that is war stories we'll share later on. So that is where the this particular thing is coming. Responsibility must be given, authority must be given, and they must also be held accountable, right? So all those three things will fall into the place for it. How to do that? Also, there are many tools many people have shared, right? So now here the outcome is going to be drafting comprehensive and clear action plan to solve the problem and prevent future occurrences. Not just solving once, it should never happen again. Let's face a new problem and solve a new problem the very next time it is coming up. All right, then the last stage is the review progress, this also will be predetermined as saying we'll be reviewing process. Like for example, in these 5 stages, we will be at every stage we will be reviewing, right? Our own process. This we may not divulge to the to our members who will join the mastermind conclave, but we will be doing it as a core team or the light bearers of the of mastermind conclave. Now we will celebrate successes along the way because it motivates and it puts across, and people feel encouraged and energized as they see the progress. Then a grand celebration on completing the implementation, right? So outcome is problem solved, success is celebrated, and the next cycle starts, right? So in the cycle, we'll be going through with each of these processes, each of these stages. So yeah, so this is the one that we had put for it, and this in the graphic form. You first need to define what it is, then you get deep in order to understand what the root causes are, and then you create the various possibilities, then you choose the possibility and then take the action to implement. Those are the 5 stages, the 4 stages getting into the 5 parts of it over here. Yeah,
I think we
Rashmi, you
can
want to say
stop
something?
here
Yeah.
and ask the inputs
Sure.
so that if there is anything, we can definitely get into that, how to refine and all. Dr. Anju, Rekha, would like to say something?
Anand sir, my apprehension is you say that start with defining the
Anju,
problem and
Anju, your voice is not audible enough.
okay, hold.
Yeah.
Is
sure.
it better?
Yeah, better now.
Is it better?
Now. Yeah, better.
Thank you. So, Anand sir, you said that business, I mean, in our basic premise, we are agreeing to the fact that business owners are the decision makers. Which means whatever we have to pitch, whatever solution we have to offer, we have to offer to these business owners, the school owners.
School owners,
correct?
yeah.
Right? Now, in the process that you are the problem solving technique process, the first thing is to define problem.
Right.
My I would not even say it apprehension, but a clear cut doubt, a clear cut challenge in my head is what can we give as a whiffing to these business owners? I am still stuck there because these people are money minded. B, to them everything sounds very settled because till the time admissions are coming, and admissions will keep coming because here in India beggars can't be choosers when it comes to school. I mean, पेरेंट्स में होड़ की रहती है बच्चा बस एडमिशन हो जाए उसका किसी तरीके से.
Correct.
उसका एडमिशन आते ही ओनर इज लाइक आई एम गुड, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग गुड. उसको कैसे फेस करना है, दैट्स माय टफ डाउट. I hope I made myself clear.
Okay. Good. Medha has already joined. That is great.
Yeah. I think what I understand, Anju, is that what you are saying is that you are actually getting mentally to that place when we are talking and how they will be responding, right?
Correct. What we will be talking is where I am getting into.
Yeah. So right now, what Anand and I sharing is that what is it? What we call it as mastermind conclave problem solving technique process. That process. What was in our mind? What you are saying, I totally agree, and that is the reason we are not hushing and we are not rushing to straight away go to the market and solve it. And I think I should be thankful to Rekha for really proactively getting into that system. One thing is there. I think Anand, if you remember, we earlier also talked about and we addressed to this issue, and we said that we are not there in forcing people and we are not there in selling. We are there helping them to solve their problem because they have to implement the new education policy. And another thing was we are looking for willing people, because now it is not that the mindset is not there for the solution, but we are forcing. Then I think why the purpose is not, we are not leaving anyone behind. The purpose is to give our energies to the right people. They will not be left behind because there are certain people who wait and watch. They want to see, let others do it, then I'll do it. So you say, okay. So we are looking for the first bunch of people who are willing for that, and they don't have the right resources, the right technique. And that's why I think when Anand was saying that, even stage 1, 2, 3, 4, there are so many techniques. At times it's the old wine in the new label, in the new bottle at the same time, but it has worked somewhere. Even the changing the color of the bottle, even we know that at times the same old stuff, if packed nicely, is more acceptable. People don't understand the inside the thing is same. At the same, that's why we said about the tools for inspiration and all. So this is what the purpose is of our light bearer, that now you all are the light, we all are the light. So we have to come together and make sure this thing happens. So as a therapist or as a coach, which even Anand is going through, there are so many mind which are more resistant, and they are more centered to problem only. They don't even look for the solution because they keep on talking about the problem.
Yeah.
So going to, from our experience, these are the challenges which we are going to face definitely, and we look forward to looking all those success stories also. Like if we are able to break through, we'll definitely share with the team, this really worked with this person, so that tomorrow if you get stuck, just apply it. And this is what the purpose is. We are talking about collaborative learning, nothing up and down. It is all what works is there, we are ready to learn. Right.
And
Absolutely. Thank you
Yes,
so much
Anand.
for bringing in.
Yeah, please, Anju, you are saying,
Anju,
be
you were
just
saying,
little louder. Your voice is quite clear, but right now it is coming at low volume.
Okay.
Or you
No,
have to
I said
use
thank.
the.
No, I was just saying thank you so much for clarifying this viewpoint, because yes, I was moving one step ahead, whereas I should concentrate on the process for now. Absolutely.
Mhm.
Thank you so much. It's a comprehensive process to my eyes and ears. Thank you.
sure.
Right.
It's already clear, but I just wanted to add this. See, the minute this whole process started for me, I went and met with the school owners. All right. And I said, Arey, these people are like, I mean, unfortunately, the people I met with are those who are, okay, let's wait and watch and see what happens. Not that this one, Arey, yeah, this is what it is. Let me be the leader. So that's what has happened. So we said, yeah, that is one point. And the second point is, we are going to, we need not even mention about NEP and SDG and all those things in the marketing phase, right? So we like it is said that you market what they want, but then you give them what they need. So we'll separate that out, and we'll talk about what are the challenges, problems, difficulties that you are facing. Yeah, let's help you to sort that out. What do you have? That's how the whole thing goes for it. That's what is the part. I mean, that's why I just wanted to add that part to what has been said. All right. Yes. Anything else, Anju, and anything else, Rekha?
I, I think for the benefit of Medha, because now she has joined, can you just go to the graphic and just brief her so that she can also give her inputs? The graphic which you.
Sure. Just give me a second.
Rest all she can just listen
Yeah.
to it, but yeah, that's it. Yeah.
This is the one.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Little up, because
yeah.
yeah,
One second.
yeah, that's it.
Right. So, Mela, just as a quick two-sentence introduction, and then I'll explain the graphic for you, is that we were talking about all the work that has already been done and the model that we had come up with before all of you have joined. So now this is, we want you to go through, understand, and then we improve further, right? So the first thing we are providing is a problem-solving technique process. Okay, and that is divided into 5 stages. And the stage 1 starts after people have joined and we have started the work with it. So that is the point, is there where we get the people to define the problem that they have and articulate it. Then we go deep into that problem and find out about what are the causes, the root cause, and the various aspects of it. Then we come up with various options of how the problem can be solved. That is the creation phases. From there we go to the decision mode of choosing which is the best. That is actually chosen by the particular person for who's trying to solve that in their own institution or life, right? So they choose that, and then the support is provided in acting on that, whatever is the creating of a plan and taking the action on that and making things happen. Finally, we would celebrate the successes throughout the journey as well as at the end of it. So this is the 2-minute explanation of what I have shared with the group. Okay, later you can watch the video. Super. Yeah.
Yes, Medha.
No,
Okay, so Anand, I have a question here.
yeah. Go ahead, Rekha.
Okay, it's not a question, in fact, my understanding.
Hmm.
See, what you said is like the action plan,
Hmm.
getting into the market where we say people that, hey, I'm here to support you.
Hmm.
Is there anything that we can help you out? Okay, that is the main intent, what I understand.
Right.
Now, for taking it over,
Hmm.
what I was just thinking is,
Hmm.
the whole intent is to target on implementing the NEP, right? So it's like just letting people know that as we have the NEP coming into picture,
Hmm.
this is what is a groundwork what we have done, and we are volunteering to support you.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So for which maybe, as you said, we will take up all these.
Hmm.
What I was also thinking is like maybe instead of asking people like what is your problem, maybe how can I pitch in and facilitate you to get rid of that problem, right?
Hmm.
So maybe we can come up with some, as you have just shown that PDCA cycle, or maybe the
Problem solving cycle. Yeah.
cycling cell. Yeah. Okay. So what I was thinking is maybe we can draft some small example of a problem statement where, you know, like last 8 to 9 sessions, we have been talking about multiple areas, right? Multilingualism, whatever it is. But as an essence of what NEP all summarizes about, maybe we can take one small example, articulate, like as you rightly pointed, 5 Whys, RCA, Ishikawa. Okay, so maybe, and then concluding on the solution, what we can give. For us to conclude on the solution, there need to be a couple of actions which people have to take, right? So as a model, if we can just give a one slide visionary understanding to the people, no, I think that's where they will have a clear understanding. Okay, this is what is my involvement. I was just thinking while you were taking me through that.
Okay, one thing I just, before Anand, just share that screen, you know, that first worksheet which we planned. Can you share that? First one.
I think I
Yeah.
can do
In
that.
the while you are doing, I'll just say some few words. And that is, Rekha, first and foremost, you said that we are going to say that our main intent is to help them, the school owners. Now I want to put this question to the team. Is this our main intent, that we want to help school owners, or we want to help students, that the way we said, let's give best to the each child and bring out the best from each child?
Okay, for me, the way how I look at it, Shashi.
I know. I understand what you are saying, but then we should not forget the mindset, because this might come up because we are not here to help only the school owners, that as if we are as coaches coming to help you up. We know deep, that is our way of saying it.
Yeah.
Is it? That's what. So I am just making it clear. Please be cautious. Never ever say that this is our main intent. We are there to help school owners. No, this is not our main intent. Main intent is our child. Child is at the center.
It's maybe a diplomatic approach of approaching the.
I agree. I absolutely agree. That's what I'm saying. We should be conscious that when we are saying, we should not make this kind of a statement which is totally opposite to our main mindset. So that is what one thing. And another, what you said about the statement of the problem, if Anand will just show you that we also worked out that when we will be doing the workshop mode online with the school owners, this is one of the activities. And believe me, this graphic is also not yet finalized. We are still in the process, because we want to incorporate the maximum things, so that we own everyone should own that. It is my thing. You know, when it is like right now Anand and Shashi has done it, but then when Rekha, Anju, Medha gives in, then that graphic we will be coming up. Maybe next time we'll give, or maybe during in between we'll just have a 15 minutes of a Zoom call, and then we will just share this. This is how it is. How does it connect you? The way you are talking about, Rekha, for the marketing thing, does it connect you? Maybe our ideas are we able to convert our ideas in the right graphic? Have you done that? Is there? Okay, yeah. See, yeah, this is the thing. That is one of the activity which we thought that how to help, in one page, whatever we have said, it's like that. Yes, Anand, please share,
What I'm
talk
just trying
about
to
it.
go down this. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm getting it. So it's a one worksheet which will have these no, actually there is one more. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me just correct that. So it should give me this. Okay. So there is okay, 1 second. I know I understood what the thing is.
Anyhow, it's okay. It's one sheet. Let them just get the idea. No worry.
The picture is
It's
okay.
just
Right. All right. So
just the Google thing happening, but it is one worksheet only where
worksheet.
these 4 things are there.
Problem, generate ideas, best idea, and elaborate on the best idea. That is the whole part of it, that we elaborate and refine the idea. So this is a worksheet that they will get, and we lead them through in a live situation. Okay.
And we are looking for that, that community to be built up. See, if we say we are the solution provider, then they are outrightly, who are you, right? But when their own community comes, and this is the power of aggregation, which Anand mentioned in the beginning, that this is what it is, that when collectively things happen, the momentum is built up and the acceptance is there and the resistance is reduced.
Right. So,
right?
yes.
Is it okay, Rekha? Please share.
Yeah, I got it. Maybe just a thought like there should be like um, people taking it and then elaborating on it. Like typically just a small example from IT side. When we get any problem, we do perform an RCA, root cause analysis. Okay. There is something called as 5Y Ishikawa diagram, what we try to do. So let the owners themselves derive the actual actions, what they think that the problems they are identified for. Okay, maybe as you said, out of 50 people attending a seminar, if 20 are clicked for us also, I think with each of the member in that 20 group, we will be having this particular exercise.
Yep.
Yeah.
Right. Absolutely. So, yes, Medha. Because it's already 12, we'll just go for another 5 minutes and then we'll call it off so that, we respect the time. Sure. Yeah, Medha. We are not able to hear you. Your voice is not there. No, not yet.
No, we can't hear you.
Can you use an earphone? No, I don't think so. Yeah, we are still not able to hear you. Dr. Anju, would you like to give some input?
No, I think I'm good so far. And yes, adding to what Rekha brought in as a point of clarity, I would say that school owner for us here is the customer, whereas these students are going to be the consumer, but we'll have to first, in this case, we'll have to first convince the customer, unlike in usual marketing. So yes, the intent, then we can keep the intent that Shashi ma'am brought up, that the intent is to uh, bring the best out of each of the child. So थोड़ा सा marketing हमारे लिए यहाँ पे tweak हो गया है to my eyes now.
Okay. Super.
Otherwise,
Super.
Yep.
Lovely. And yeah.
Medha, can you type in what you're saying?
Medha is typing in, yeah. So I'm
Right.
trying to open my chat. So let me just do that.
And I think
Yeah. Okay.
By the time they are, yeah.
Net is not working. Okay. She says that she's understood. So.
Okay. So yeah, good. So what we'll do is, I just before I think Rekha and Medha joined, we just thought, why not every Saturday we fix up 11 o'clock for the mastermind conclave meeting? Is it okay for you? And if it is yes, then please give a thumbs up or please share your thoughts. Medha, is it possible for you?
Super.
Okay. Rekha, is it possible for you?
Yes.
Lovely.
Okay, so I think we will block even our time every Saturday, 11 o'clock morning. We are going to have this meeting, whatever it is, or whatever the agenda. And in between, we can use our WhatsApp to share our ideas.
I wanted to add that. I say let's keep the
Because let's make it now more interactive, and then as requested, refraining any other message other than
Yeah.
which is connected to that.
That's
That's it.
what we shall follow.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So I think good to go. Is there anything else, Anand? Would you like to share with
No, that's it.
them?
So the only I mean, let's do it on a daily basis. So use the WhatsApp for the daily basis, and once a week we get together and do with this. Yes, Medha, I'll share the recording with you. Yeah, I'll share the recording with everyone.
But today we have not got the opportunity to listen to the voice of Medha.
Yeah. So
You will be listening ours, and we will not be listening yours. Please make sure that all the thing, and then although we will also do at our end technical issues, but just refresh your Zoom app account. Yes, Rekha and Medha.
So the last thing that I want to add is I love questions. The more questions you ask, the more things will happen, along with sharing whatever are the new things that is there. So we can also learn and incorporate for it. Yeah. Super. So I think we'll close the meeting for the moment.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Have a great day. Nice
Have a
weekend. And
great week.
looking forward to meet you next week.
Done.
Same to you. Bye.
See you all. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.